Hey guys, it's Rick with Proclockers, coming at you with a unboxing of a Backlit wireless keyboard mouse combo. This thing actually doesn't have any branding on it as far as manufacturer goes, but it looked neat when I was sent the product description, so I figured I'd check it out and unbox it for you here on camera. So there's everything included. Looks like the keyboard's on top. And it is. We got our manual, our keyboard, our USB dongle, 2.4 gigahertz. And again, don't see any branding on here, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. Keyboard feels decent, looks like it's a general membrane keyboard. I do know the keys are backlit on it, and it is rechargeable over USB-C, which is nice, saves on buying batteries all the time. In the kit, we also got a USB-C cable and our mouse. I'm assuming the rest of this is filler cardboard. Yeah, that's what it looks like, just filler cardboard. Our mouse has a little holder for our USB dongle. It's optical. Again, USB-C rechargeable on the mouse. Scroll wheel feels decent. Buttons are nice and quiet. On-off switch. The lighting switch on the bottom. So I'm assuming that changes. Again, I know there's RGB in here, so I'm assuming this lighting switch here changes our RGB options. So I will get this thing all set up and test it out, and you guys keep an eye on proclockers.com for my full written review, and I'll catch you on the next review.